Hey everyone, this is Dave Schramm of ShrammGuitars.com, and I've got a real cool unboxing. Let's go check it out. Well, we got something real special today from my friend Tim McCoy, and I think you people are really gonna like what's in this box. Let's check it out. Well, I just opened the box, and what we have in here is the Tim McCoy Go Bar Daddy. Let's check it out. So Tim McCoy did a fantastic job of packing and shipping this. This is a Lazy Susan for this Big Daddy Go Bar deck. Here is one of the plates. He's got the instruction sheet on how to assemble it, the metal bars, and the Go Bar decks that are loaded with springs internally. So now we're going to put it together. So I got the nut, the washer, and I'm going to slide that into place here. There we go. There we go. And what I do is check when the threads start coming out of the bottom of the washer there. That's where I lift this up, tighten the upper. I need 2 wrenches. I'm going to go grab my other wrench here in a minute, but I'm just going to snug that up right there. All right. Okay, now I'm ready to attach the top. Before I do that, I gotta remove these nuts here. Now it already has washers in place here. This one fell off, so I'm gonna put this spare one on there. Nuts back on. Now this height is going to be adjustable to whatever you desire. If you need to cut the pipe in the middle here down, that's fine. But with this, you have this open Lazy Susan here, so you can get your hands in here to do the work. And here are the Go Bars that are included. And they're spring loaded. There, so goes this way, I think. So Tim will always correct me if I'm wrong. And then, you know, this puts your where your bracing will go. Let me put something in here and demonstrate this. Okay, so real quickly, I'm going to use this. This is an old demo top. It's kind of messed up. But what you would do, these are 24-inch diameter. You'd customize your radius dish, put it in here so that it fits where these parts are here. So this would be lifted up a little bit higher here. It's warped, it's all messed up. This is just for demonstration purposes. So you have these go bar sticks that are spring loaded here. Let's say we're gluing this brace on. You put this on there and then you press down here, and that goes at the top of the go bar deck like this, and that's there. Then you can move around to another part. Let's say that you were wanted to glue this part. Now that's out of the way. Maybe you want to do a brace, move this around. Now you have access to it, just like that. Okay, so you can spin this around. This side here, you have lots of access to everything. Put your radius dish in there. So real cool. And when you're done, you can just unbolt these and put it away. Let's take a closer look at it. Okay, that spins around. That's really cool. So check out this cool tool by my friend Tim McCoy and the Real McCoy Go Bar Daddy. Awesome tool. Till next time, bye. Oh, I thought I'd mention, I'll put contact information down in the description below. All right, remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.